The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, though not confirmed by Ferrari, exists in concept renderings and speculative reports as the ultimate dream machine for gearheads who refuse to sacrifice luxury. The exterior would channel Ferrari's aggressive supercar design cues. Expect sharp creases, sculpted air intakes, and sweeping lines that echo Ferrari's high-performance models. Carbon fiber body panels, active aero elements like adjustable spoilers or flaps, and LED signatures would distinguish it from ordinary motorhomes. In many renderings, a classic Rosso Casa red dominates, offset by matte black trim or metallic accents. Some speculative designs even propose a modular roof section, lowering for parking, raising to create open terraces or integrate solar panels. Beneath the skin, the chassis must be engineered from the ground up. A reinforced frame with lightweight materials, air suspension with adaptive damping, and active anti-roll systems would be essential to deliver both ride comfort and dynamic stability. Given its weight and size, strong braking, e.g. carbon ceramic rotors, and advanced stability control would be needed to keep handling safe under load. Powertrain concepts typically envision a hybrid system, pairing a turbocharged V8 or even a V12 with electric motors. Sources suggest variants spanning 600 to 1000 plus HP, depending on configuration. One concept dubbed the 2026 Ferrari Stradale GT Cruiser is rumored to use a 1000 horsepower plug-in hybrid V12 drivetrain. The transmission would likely be an 8-speed dual-clutch unit, possibly with all-wheel drive for extra grip. Regenerative braking and energy recapture systems would help extend efficiency during long highway stretches. In terms of size, speculative specs place the motorhome at approximately 8,200 mm length, 2,500 mm width, and 3,200 mm height, with a curb weight between 5,000 and 5,500 kg. It would sleep 4 to 6 people, with generous plumbing systems, fresh, gray, black, and integrated solar arrays to support off-grid stays. Step inside, and you expect nothing short of a 5-star residence. The layout could include a master bedroom suite, guest cabins, and a central lounge space with swivel seating and fold-out dining area. High-end materials like Italian leather, Alcantara, wood veneers, and carbon fiber trim would dominate surfaces. Lighting would be ambient, adjustable, and likely RGB capable. The kitchen would boast induction cooktops, intelligent appliances, refrigeration, and possibly even a built-in espresso bar. Bathrooms could be spa-like wet rooms, with rainfall showers, voice-activated controls, and heated floors. The technology package would also be top-tier. A centralized AI-based infotainment and control system would manage lighting, climate, security, and appliances. Voice control, augmented reality navigation overlays, 5G satellite connectivity, and comprehensive driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, 360 degrees cameras, blind spot monitoring would come standard. A panoramic glass roof or skylight, featuring electrochromic dimming, would bring in natural light and offer stargazing while parked. From a performance standpoint, despite its large size, the hybrid powertrain might push 0 to 100 km/h times into the 4.5 to 5.5 second range under lighter loads, though heavier fully loaded runs could be slower. Top speed might be capped around 180 to 200 km/h to preserve stability. Fuel efficiency would not be a strong suit, but hybrid support and energy recovery would mitigate consumption to some degree. Pricing and exclusivity would be extreme. Estimates vary. Some sources suggest a base around $450,000 USD, while fully loaded luxury editions could approach $900,000 or more. Because such a vehicle would likely remain a boutique, low-volume model, waiting lists would be long and customization options extensive. Yet, such a concept isn't without its challenges. Balancing weight distribution and structural rigidity while accommodating a heavy powertrain and full interior is a major engineering hurdle. Cooling, vibration, and noise management would be critical. Regulatory compliance across markets, emissions, safety, certifications could further complicate production. Day-to-day usability is questionable too. Fitting into campground slots, navigating narrow roads, and servicing exotic components may dissuade all but the most adventurous buyers. Another factor is Ferrari's brand identity. The mark is iconic for supercars, not recreational vehicles. Jumping into the luxury motorhome space could be seen as diluting focus, unless handled as a limited, coach-built collaboration. Indeed, many speculative reports treat the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome as a bespoke or concept-driven product rather than a mass-production model. Comparisons with rivals further amplify the ambition. Bugatti, Lamborghini, and other premium brands are mentioned in futuristic RV discussions, each promising hypercar DNA in mobile homes. In many concept roundups, Ferrari's entry is positioned among the top tier of luxury motorhomes for its blend of performance and craftsmanship. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is a vision, a dream bridging high-speed performance, luxury hospitality, and mobile freedom. Whether it becomes reality or remains a speculative fantasy, it's a compelling glimpse into how supercar makers might stretch their brand into new transportation frontiers. For now, it fuels imaginations, the idea of cruising highways in a Ferrari, not just driving